morning all guys. So this is your educator Miss Sindhuja here. So today I came with this innovative idea of MV series. So let's see who is going to join this MV series one by one. Let's wait for them. Till now no one has joined. Let's see. Hi Revant, hope you are doing good. Let's see who all are joining. Then I will convey what exactly I am meaning with this particular MD series. Okay. Let's wait for some more time. So this is actually meant for the new UPSC aspirants, like those who don't have any coaching background like that. So in spite of we having coaching background also, it's not that we are getting these days, we are getting resources from so many areas. Resources are there is no shortage. But at times we need the right mentor or motivation factor. So that is what is meant by this MB. It's just a motivation series because only few days are left for us as far as our civil service prelims exams are concerned. So we need just to get motivated a bit, that I feel, because so many of my students, they are just feeling sad that they didn't cover the so-called areas or syllabus of this particular examination. But it's not about covering all those things. But we have to what? We have to get some motivating thing. For example, some of my students told that they are passing through some distress and all those things at this juncture of time. But this is not the right time for all those things to come inside in X or Y's person's life so that it gets affected with their preparation. Now, regarding motivation, what I would like to tell is, see, all people are having their own problems and pains and everything in life. But keeping those things apart, this time we need to concentrate on our preparations. That is what I have to tell. And for the beginners especially, what I would like to tell is, please stay away from certain things, certain negativities which will peep into and which will retard your UPSC preparation. For some people it might be your relatives, for some people it might be your friends, for some people it might be some relationships. So it's a humble request for all of the new budding aspirants that once you have decided that you will strongly go and fight the battle of UPSC, you have to refrain from these so-called negativities. So the first one is relationship itself. So these relationships are not a new thing these days. So if you are strongly wishing to crack this exam, it's better you refrain some relationship. Let it be your love relationship or relatives or anything, because it's good if you are undergoing some breakups or something. Why? Because a person who doesn't understand you and they are throwing and leaving you, let them go. But it's a positivity for you. Why? Because behind that, during the next 1 year, you can focus more on your preparation. So nothing is going to come again back in your way in that. So in that positive way you take and you try to excel in life. Okay. Then some relatives will come. Like they will trouble and tell what? You are not fit for this, you are not fit for that. But for such persons, what I would like to tell is, just go and ask them, what is the meaning of UPSC? Do you think they will be able to tell even the expansion of that? I don't think so. So, no matter X, Y or Z, let them tell anything about you, that you are not fit for this. But it's time for you to take all those negativities into positivities and show them by cracking this exam that who you are. So, if you have got any such bad negativity people or if you are trapped in such circles, means what you have to do is just block them out and then concentrate on your studies. Then you have to form a good study circle, because study circle means of your own wavelength, so that you can focus on your examinations and get prepared for it. Now that the days are less, need not worry that you didn't complete the entire thing. Whatever things you studied so far, it's time for you to revise on those topics. Okay. I think Ashok Vimal has joined in between. Hi to you. So, what I would like to tell is, there are so many people. These days, the coaching centers are all looting people, to be frank, X or Y. So, what I would like to tell is, we will form a study group or something in which, if you know anybody who are seriously interested, they can join my YouTube channel as well. Like it's Your Mentor to be Biostars, or in Instas frequently. We will get connected, so that when some negativity comes, that just gets eroded. Okay. So no matter X and Y, the moment you decided that you are going to fight the world's toughest examination, a big salute to all of you, because you are talented, but some negativities inside you won't allow you to excel in life. That is a thing. So just remove such negativities, and these people whom they told negatives about you or me, they will one day realize, when we are in a good position, that that is the way. That's a sweet revenge we have to do for these people. Okay. So that is a thing. Then you have to get motivated day by day. That's the thing. That is what will lead you to success. It's not that some days you are studying, some days you are not studying. Every day you have to study. For example, see, these days some people are there, they're not getting motivated. Rather, they don't know the schemes which are happening right now. For example, in the year 2020, there was PM Swanidhi scheme. How many of you know that? Those people are not aware about all these things, but yet they want to become the so-called collectors and all. That's the irony. So, our UPSC journey is like what? It's like a long journey. Like, just imagine we started off from our home, we are going to a journey, and the UPSC journey is such that we have to drive straight to that goal or to Labasna. In between, if we stop, halt our vehicle here and there will be so many distractors, like so many shopkeepers or something of that sort. So what we have to do is, we don't have to stop in such areas. We have to just focus on our goal. That's the thing. So, how many of you who have joined? I think Nitish has joined. Welcome, Nitish. Okay, so how many of you, I don't know whether Revant is there right now. So, what is this PM Swanidhi scheme? How many of you know about that? I just raised a question. That scheme is regarding which one? How many of you can say the answer to that? I think you can respond via chat if you know it. Please respond if you know it. PM Swanidhi scheme. What is that all about? I'm not getting any response, I think. Anyways, PM Swanidhi scheme is meant for the street vendors. You know, lot of people, the street vendors, and they need what? Assistance. So, to access affordable working capital, these schemes are launched. It was launched in the year 2020, so it's important, okay? So, these things are a bit needed for your preparation, because it is important thing also. Then recently when Nishta program came, so all these things are what? Related to the schemes which was launched recently. What is Nishta scheme? I don't know how many of you know about Nishta scheme and all. It's based to, these days UPSC asks to which particular field it is related to. For example, they can give vendors, some other thing, some other areas like TRP rating and all. But the right answer for it is something connected to the teachers training program. Okay. So all these things you have to remember. So I know everybody might be having knowledge, resources and all, but at times you have to get motivated. That is what is the thing it's required. So let's focus on this particular things regarding preparation and all. And if you wish to join my particular group or something, you can. Okay. So I am thinking of framing my own groups in Clubhouse and all, so that we can stay connected, and we can form a study circle. Based on that, others are also benefited. See, some people don't have that much finance, isn't it? So they too might have the intention of cracking the exam. So this time is not too late, although it is 2.5 months and all. Do you think it is practical that the one who has prepared for the last 1 year, they are remembering everything? It's not so. So what we have to do is, we have to, whatever things we are revising hereafter, we have to focus on that. Okay. So I am there in Clubhouse as well, that new app. So if you wish to join, we can create a room, and we can stay motivated all through while, and we can focus on our certain areas. Like the schemes and all are important. Like Swanidhi scheme, Nishta, all these things are important. And hi AG, somebody named AG has logged in. Welcome. So here we is now time discussing about the NVCs. NVCs means just about motivation. So if you have got anybody in your near ones or dear ones who need positivity or who need motivation to crack the UPSC exam as well as guidance, those people can contact me via Instagram. This is my thing, and you can stay connected. And in YouTube, I have got a channel that is You Are Meant to Be Biostars. Please subscribe it, like, share, and do all those things. And in YouTube, I can come and do live sessions only if the subscription is more. So if you can do that, you can subscribe, share. It's very good from your side. So what I am thinking is, I have my own coaching center, but I am planning to do some free sessions for those people who can't even afford any coaching thing or something. So I'm thinking about that. So today, I will do some of the schemes in my YouTube channel, You Are Meant to Be Biostars. So you can follow me for the updates regarding it, and in Clubhouse also we will be joining. Okay. So maximum spread this message that those who are serious aspirants regarding UPSC, they can qualify this year. So that is a thing. Okay. So no matter, once again I'm telling, no matter whosoever is telling this and that, you have to stay focused on your goal. So need not worry about those people. Try possible to remain enclosed in a room in your own area, in your house and all, so that nobody comes and interferes with you. And I know when somebody troubles us regarding some dialogues or something, we get irritated and we get diverted from our goal. So it's high time that you people stay, those who are UPSC aspirants, stay away from such negativities and keep on getting boosted day by day, so that your goal is near and you can crack your exams. Okay. If you have got anything else to ask via chat, you're free to do it. Because this particular live session is meant for those UPSC aspirants who are beginners, especially. Okay. I'm waiting for some 2 minutes. Let me see if anybody has any queries. If not, I will wind up the session and you can join me in Clubhouse. Okay. I think Revant has left. In short notice, I went live. So I don't think some people were there in this live conversation. Here comes my student, my sister, Devika. Hi Devika. She's like my Chotu sister because she's studying in my center only. So those who want to do the live sessions, you can come YouTube. But for YouTube, I need all of your help, because if the subscription is high, only I can come live. But you can expect quality classes from my side, that I can assure. And you don't have to need any rupees for that. Nah. You just have to share it. That's the thing. So share maximum. And today I will be uploading my UPSC classes inside that, so you can watch it. Okay. And stay safe these days, because Corona and all, I don't know, this thing, that thing, what all things are coming. Like when Corona is going, blue virus is coming, yellow virus is coming. What all things will come, only God knows. So stay safe and get in connection with those positive people. Only then you can crack this UPSC exam. Otherwise, entire thing will go ulta. Okay. And one more thing, you have to have a good command over English language if you want to crack UPSC. Otherwise, rank everybody will get, but you will get some 10,000 or 15,000 rank. Is that enough? Because vacancies are less. Inside 1,000 or 800 you have to come. So be focused on your studies and then what? Excel in that field. I don't think anybody else is there joining. Okay. Thank you.